Let's go Mario style. Something about just taking your bike in a parking garage that just, oh my god. Or just any good sounding vehicle for that fucking matter. Like just the way everything sounds, like how it's enhanced, echoey, you know? Unfortunately, no front cam again today, but that is something that I wanted to talk about. I can't even recall if this was something that, well, I didn't even really say hello. Hello one, and welcome all. Welcome back to another one. There you go. All right, now we could jump into just what we were saying, like nothing even happened. In my old videos, I don't think I did a front and a helmet cam like 25/8. But I am trying to. I've decided to basically just stop complaining about the editing time, which is what my gripe with it is. I've decided just to say fuck it and just do it, just because I know that having the front camera makes the video 20 times more entertaining to watch. I know it does, because then when I do stuff with my hands or something like this, I can flip it, or if I'm talking about something that's serious, I can flip it, and it's kind of, you know, it could be like a one-on-one. See, like even doing that hand motion needs the front camera. But I'm working on a way to where we're gonna constantly have it. Another issue that I have with it is removing the front camera. It's so fucking stupid. It is such a stupid ass excuse. It's the bitchiest of them all. I don't want to, the way I dismount it in the area that it's in, it's a pain in the ass. It's a pain in the ass. Now, how much of a pain in the ass are we talking? I'm telling you, bro, it's a bitch complaint. Like 30 seconds. 30 seconds is what it takes to maybe remove the front camera. Now, the other gripe that I do have with it is I don't want to just constantly have a stick just sticking out of my stems or out of my forks. Even if I am recording, all right, cool. But when it comes time for me to dislodge it from the GoPro mount, it's just, it's such a pain in the ass. And then I have to carry a thing around that's like this fucking big. It's, but it's, oh my god, if there's a way that I could get it in a compact mode, sort of like how my GoPro is, then I'll be set. Now, what I have coming, I'm normally not one to insert pictures or do any of that shit, but we're trying to switch it up. We're trying to switch things up now. You guys can tell we're actually doing thumbnails, so you know we're trying. So this is what I just ordered. This is called a snap mount, okay? If you have a GoPro or just any type of action camera that uses the two little split GoPro mount, get this, bro. I'm telling you. I've used snap mounts for it. This is not a fucking ad, but god damn, this fucking needs to be. I might as well make this shit look like an ad. I've used snap mounts for a while. It is hands down one of my favorite GoPro mounts. I love it. It's just, there's something so nice about setting up your GoPro once and kind of just never having to worry about the setup part again. And it's kind of weird to say. This is what I mean. So the way it is as you can see on screen, it's basically a magnet mount. Okay? So the way it works is you mount this one piece, boom, and you mount it to the GoPro mount, and then all you do from that point is you simply just, if I can find a video, I'll insert a video. You just drop the camera on the mount, and then it's as simple as removing as 1, 2, 3. So the part that I got was this piece. So this is a snap mount locking adapter, and it has these two tabs where it just makes the shit a lot more secure. You take the camera, you twist it in, and it's that bitch ain't coming out. It's attached to that shit. Now, you could just use the normal ones, but I mean, the locking one is better if you want that nice and secure fit. Now, where the fuck am I going on with this shit? Because I feel like I've been railing about this shit for like 4 or 5 minutes now. If I could somehow get that set up with the GoPro mount up there to where I could just, then maybe I'll start doing more front camera videos. Jesus, can't speak. But I don't know, I just want it to be more compact. That's another gripe with what I have, because when I get off my bike and I have to carry it around and shit, it's just, it's awkward, bro, because I never have enough space for it. Something else that you guys should look out for, okay, I'm hoping that it's gonna be as good as I'm envisioning it. The channel is about to get a huge upgrade, way bigger than it's ever gotten before. Well, I don't know about necessarily that. I think getting this MT-07 was the best upgrade to the channel, but the second best upgrade, expect for the camera footage to change very, very shortly. Now, I'm not saying that I'm getting anything crazy like a fucking drone or something like that. Hell no, that'd be crazy. Plus, actually, you know what, dude? That would actually be kind of sick. Could you imagine that shit? Imagine just having like a drone moto vlog. That'd be kind of cool, dude. You know, have it fly around you and shit, like GTA. That'd be sick. But, anyways, I got a new lens for the GoPro. Now, when it comes, I mean, hopefully I have a video to shoot that day. I mean, I think I might do it just to do it at like a little test run. But it's supposed to basically just blow up the view a lot. So, I don't know, hopefully you guys can see just a whole lot more. It's gonna be sick seeing the difference. Hopefully it'll be crazy. Something else that I really want to talk about, but I kind of can't in my current state. I kind of want to have a sit down and talk with the channel about why do I enjoy bikes? Why is it that I only have a bike? And it's a question that I really want to answer because I feel like I got asked it. Well, I feel like I do get asked it a lot. Like, dude, why do you love motorcycle riding? And it's like I can never give a straight answer. I feel like I have the answer kind of now, but I want to do it in kind of a sit down and talk, because it's a very kind of personal subject, at least for the reason. But to kind of sum it up to the way that I can, it just eliminates problems, bro. And what I mean by that is, believe it or not, low-key, I think a motorcycle, that'll be the title of this video. Low-key, a motorcycle is a cure to depression. It can be. Like, there's a lot more that I want to talk about, like, oh man, we're getting personal. We're getting personal. Alright, you know what? Fuck it. Let's slow down a little bit. It's a very personal topic. Motorcycles have saved me. Oh my god, it's anytime that I'm depressed or down in the slumps, or I just have a lot of shit on my mind, bro, I'm telling you, every single time that I'm packed on my bike, whether it's to go to work, to go to the gas station, to just get out, bro, every time I feel better coming back. There's just something that's so, not necessarily stress relieving, but there's something about being out here on the road where you just have to be laser locked. It does something. Like, I ain't gonna lie, dude, I was at work, I was thinking about some shit, and it got me tearing up. Honestly, it did. I got some shit on my mind, bro, and it hits hard, bro. At times, I feel like I'm okay, and then, I don't know, bro, after bottling up feelings for so long, because that's just what I was taught to do, bro. Shit happens and you gotta put it to the side and you gotta stay strong, and eventually That shit catches up. Catches up, but I don't want to think about that shit right now, you know? We're not here to be sad and depressed. We're here to have fun. Feels like I'm kind of abruptly about to end the video, but I mean, it's got to be like 15, 16 minutes at this point. Yeah, it'll be fine. Maybe less. But those are the things going on. I want to make a video about what bikes mean to me and what they've done for me. Front cameras should be coming back, hopefully permanently. I'm gonna fucking try to stay consistent with it. What else is there? The new lens for the GoPro should be a very, very big game changer. But other than that, oh shit, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but that black spot is like all divots. And dude, I hit that shit one time. Woo! Almost lost control. Yeah, I know the drill. I'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, ride hard, fly safe, hit your goals and your limits, and Outskis Batowskis. Let's get a power wheelie for the outro. That's definitely gonna be a clip. Alright, catch you on the next one. I love slowing down like this, and then you just get to the last little section and then you brake.
And then we have our lovely, lovely assistant. Look at that. He's got his little zip ties and he's got his little tool.
Alright, that's all. Saw how swift that shit was.